Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Watch Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to set a custom watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image as a watch face or a picture as a watch face. So let's get started. Before we start though, one thing to mention is that if you want to set a custom watch face, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the OHealth application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the OHealth application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, tap on the device icon, and here you should see the device page with your OnePlus Watch Lite. And now we can scroll through the list of my faces, this one, select the watch face that looks like this, with the mountain. This is the custom watch face. Tap on allow access, and now we can customize our watch face. You have two styles, and then you can add photos. So if you tap on plus button right here, it will let you to add the photo from your phone. And let's say I want to go to the download folder, and here I have some photos. Let's pick this one. You can also pick multiple if you want to by checking them, and then tap on preview, and here you can crop the image, because the whole image won't fit on the watch face, so you need to select the part of it, and you can zoom in, zoom out, and move left and right, up and down, stuff like that. So crop the image to your liking, and do the same for the other one if you have multiple pictures, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And here we have a preview of our watch faces, and you can customize it a bit further. You can change the position, or rather the way the clock looks. We have the different way to clock looks. Then we can change the position of the clock right here. We have bottom and top, and then we have the color of the clock, and finally we can add some data to our watch complications, and we can tap on upper left, let's say steps, upper right, let's say active calories, temperature maybe, and then maybe battery. Okay, and once you're done customizing this, you should be able to apply your watch face. So you can tap on apply. It will be uploaded to your watch and then applied automatically. Okay, and now the watch face is applied. And if you have multiple pictures added as a watch face, you can tap on them on the current watch face, basically to cycle between them. You can also cycle between them when you turn off the screen. So basically, if the screen on your watch turns off and you wake it up, it should cycle between watch faces each time you wake up the screen. Okay, and that's how you set a custom watch face on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.